Our today's topic is highest common factor, or you can say HCF. HCF is the greatest or highest number in the common factors of two numbers. Okay, there's another name for it, which is greatest common divisor, or GCD. Let's understand what is this with some example. For example, there are two numbers 12 and 18. So let's find out the factors of 12 and 18 first. So what are the factors of 12? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 12 and 18. Now let's find out the common factors between these two. So what are the common factors? 2, 3 and 6. So these three are the common factors between 12 and 18. Now HCF, highest common factor. So which is the highest among these three? Yes, you're correct, 6. So the HCF, or you can say highest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay, so this is what HCF is. Okay, there is another name for it, or we can that is GCD, greatest common divisor. There are three methods to find out the HCF. Let's learn about those methods. The first method is listing the factors method. In this, first we have to find out the factors of each number. Let's see how this works. For example, we have to find out the factors of 30 and 40. So first we have to find out the factors of all the factors of 30 and 40. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. What are the factors of 40? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay. Then the next step is to list out the common factors between them. So what are the common factors? 2, then 5, then 10. Yes, that's it. So these are the three common factors between 30 and 40. Now the last step is to find out the greatest common factor, that is here in this case it is 10. So the HCF of 30 and 40 is 10. So this is what listing the factors method works. The second method is prime factorization method. In this, first we have to find out the prime factors of the number. Let's take the same example of 30 and 40. So first we have to find out the prime factors. So the prime factorization of 30 and 40 are here. Prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, and prime factorization of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now to find out the HCF, we have to list out the common factors first. Okay, so what are the common factors here? 2. Okay, next is your 5. So we have only two common factors here, 2 and 5. Now in this case, we don't have to choose the highest one. Instead, because this is prime factorization, so we have to find out the product of these two. Okay, so what is the product? 2 into 5, that equals to 10. So the HCF in this case is 10. The SCF is same as we in the previous case. SCF, you may use any method, the SCF will always be the same. Okay, just there's a different thing here. Be very sure about it. You have to find out the product of these two. Okay, product of the common factors here. Now the last and the third method to find out the HCF is division method. Okay, let's see how it works. We will take the same example of 30 and 40 again. Okay, so in this method, first we have to write down these two numbers in the division format. Okay, you all know the division format? Yes, this. Now here the bigger number amongst two is will come inside, that is it will be the dividend, and the smaller number will be the divisor. So here 40 is a bigger number, so we will write 40 as dividend and 30 as divisor. Okay, let's do the division now. So 30 one time will go, 30, remainder will be 10. Okay, so here we got remainder 10. Okay, so we will again repeat the division, but now the numbers we will take care is 30 and 10, the remainder and the divisor. Okay, so the second division we have to perform is between 30 and 10. The rule will be same, bigger number inside and smaller number will be the divisor. Okay, now 10 3 times is 30 and the remainder is 0. Since we got the remainder as 0, so we will stop here. Okay, since we got the remainder 0, we will stop here. So the step in which we will get remainder as 0, the divisor of that step, okay, the divisor of that step will be our answer. So HCF of 30 and 40 will be 10. Okay, let's understand this method again with another example. 50 and 54. Okay, now again we will divide this. Same rule, 54 will come inside as dividend because it is a bigger number, and 50 will be outside as a divisor. So 51 times will be 50 and the remainder we will get is 4. So again we will repeat the division with remainder and divisor. So 50 will be here and 4 will be here. Okay, 4 one time is 4, remainder will be 1, copy 0, 4 2 times is your 8 and remainder will be 2. So again we got the remainder, so again we will repeat the division method. Okay, we have to keep on repeating till we get remainder as 0. So now we have to divide between 2 and 4. So 4 will come as dividend because it is a bigger number, and 2 as a divisor. Now 2 times is 4. The remainder will be 0. So yes, we got remainder here as 0. So we will stop here. Now in this case, because we got remainder here in the third step, so the divisor of this, okay, divisor of this will be our answer. Don't get confused between quotient and divisor because here it is same. Okay, here in this case quotient and divisor are same, but everywhere we have to take the divisor of the step in which we get remainder as 0. So the HCF of 50 and 54 will be 2. Simple. So I hope this HCF is clear to you all and the methods are also clear to you all. Please keep practice. Please do the practice to find out the HCF of numbers. Okay. Thank you.